Welcome to KZ Mobile. Today, we're diving into the Oppo Reno 7, a stylish and feature-packed smartphone designed to deliver a premium experience. Let's explore what this device has to offer. Design and display. The Oppo Reno 7 comes with a sleek, premium design featuring a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate. The screen offers vibrant colors and sharp details, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Its slim profile and lightweight build provide a comfortable grip, while the glass back adds to its sophisticated appearance. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Reno 7 is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 900 chipset, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM. This setup ensures smooth performance for multitasking, gaming, and handling demanding apps. Running ColorOS 12 on top of Android 11, the device provides a clean and intuitive user interface, along with useful features like an enhanced dark mode and app cloning. Camera capabilities. The Oppo Reno 7 stands out with its impressive camera system. The 64-megapixels primary camera delivers sharp and detailed photos, while the 8-megapixels ultra-wide lens lets you capture more of the scene. The 2-megapixels macro sensor adds versatility for close-up shots. On the front, the 32-megapixel selfie camera ensures high-quality selfies, even in low-light conditions, thanks to AI enhancements. Battery life and charging. Equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, the Reno 7 can last a full day on moderate use. It supports 33W Super VOOC fast charging, which can charge the device from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, making it perfect for users on the go. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Oppo Reno 7 offers great performance, a stunning display, and a versatile camera system, all packed into a sleek design. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking for an all-around reliable smartphone, the Reno 7 is a solid choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KZ Mobile for more in-depth tech reviews.